Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct, and right behind me we have a 2023 Ford Transit two-wheel drive. So this one comes in a 5-lug, guys. This setup we did Black Rhino. The style is called BR003, the Sequoia. They come in a 16x8 offset plus 38 bolt pattern 50160. In order to get these on, you'll need 14x1.5 conical seat lug nuts. This one's hub centric. It's at a 65.1 millimeter. So no hub ring needed. This is a plug and play from your factory setup. The tire size we use is 235/65/16. This is the factory Continental tire that comes highway tread, ready to go. I think if you look at it right, it's plus 38. It gives it a nice flush fitment to the fender well, so it doesn't poke out or anything like that. No rubbing issues at all, so you could turn left, right, and clear no problem. I think on these two-wheel drive vans, it goes really well. Matte black. If you guys are looking for a nice off-road wheel for your Ford Transit, feel free to give us a call and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.